The vanishing match. Oh, the vanishing toothpick. Welcome to the vanishing toothpick and the vanishing matchstick. So here is the requirement. What you need: you will require a tape. Invisible tape will do. Cellotape will do. Clear tape, any tape will do. Okay, or any sticky like a blue tack also will do. So, and a matchstick and a toothpick. So here's the secret. The secret is very simple. Come here, come here. So you are going to take a tape. I'm going to just take a tape here. Like a small amount, not this much is not needed. Yeah. Small amount of tape. And you put the toothpick right here. So I like you, most of the people they do like this. I do it the other way. So just put the tape right around the toothpick. And you stick it right here. See, right on the thumb. Even the thumb will on the nail will do, or I like to use it here. Okay. So, and you just act like you're using it like this. And when you snap, so actually you act like you're snapping with both hands, but this hand does this. It opens. It goes behind. You see. So this is the bad angle. Nobody should be behind you in this trick. So when you snap, you act you are snapping with both hands, and both hands open, and it goes behind. See, from the front, it looks like it's really gone. It's a really cool trick, really visual trick. So I want you to just practice this. Always practice first. So just practice. Don't go too slow. People might see. You just snap and goes like this. Just snap and goes back. The matchstick, okay. You take a matchstick, take a tape, stick it here, stick it behind your thumb, yeah, stick it behind your thumb, and you need to be careful when doing this. When you light it, and if you don't blow it, and you do this, you might get hurt. So be careful while using any fire object. I will just perform. Blow and do this. As soon as you blow, you need to do this. I'm just doing it slowly so you can see what's happening, but go quick, yeah, and it's gone. See? So this is a very good concept. It can also be used to make objects appear, not only vanish. So not only vanish, you can show your hand like this and make anything appear, like a matchstick, or maybe show your hand empty like this and make a toothpick appear. Maybe a lollipop, even a crayon. Let's try with a crayon. I've never done this, but let's check if it works. So I'm just testing. If it works, it's good. Maybe it will work. Yeah. Real-time magic. So like this, and it's gone. Oh, it worked. Yeah, and make it appear back. So any object thin enough to hide it behind your thumb, you can use it. Cigarette works. Cigarette you can use. So it's a really versatile idea. You can use it in many ways. I will like you to, if you have any ideas, please write in the comments and please let me know. You can contact me via Facebook or YouTube. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.